Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very fun way of creating beautiful video animation using just your smartphone. Okay, you can do this, anybody can do this. You don't need any kind of tech skill, you don't need to be a computer expert, you don't need to do any form of coding before you can create amazing beautiful videos for your brand, for your business, or maybe for your clients if you are a video editor, that gets paid to render such services. So please sit back and grab your smartphone because that's all we are going to be using for this particular tutorial. Hi, if you're just joining us for the first time, my name is Gift and you are welcome to my channel. So if you are ready, let's get right into it. So the first step would be for us to launch Google Chrome. Please, I need to sound it as a note of warning right now that you shouldn't use here. Don't use Google. This is just your Google search bar. We are not using this. You're not going to get the best results if you search through Google. Make sure that you are using Google Chrome. All right. So make sure you are using Google Chrome. So we're just going to launch Google Chrome. And then this is a new tab on your search bar. We're going to search for Creatify. Creatify. Look at the spelling, take note of the spelling, Creatify. We're just going to search for that. So we'll tap on this very first one, okay? Very first one. So it is loading. Since you are a new user, you don't have an account with this website, you would have to sign up. But if you already have an account with Creatify, then you would have to sign in. So let's sign up. I already have an account, but because I want to show you every single step, I would have to create a dummy account for the purpose of this class. So we just fill in your basic information normally. Email, which email should I use now? Okay, let's use this one. I think I've not used this one here before. Then when you get to coupon, because of the love I have for you, I'm going to give you a coupon that would help grant you access. So when you get to coupon, type in free access in capital letters. Please spell correctly. I don't want anyone coming back to me to complain and say, oh, I wasn't granted access or blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Please make sure that you type correctly free access, double C, double S, no space in between. Do you see that? Then the next is for you to type in your password. You go ahead and type in your password. After typing in your password, click on sign up. Oh, it says email already exists. Okay, I've used this email before, so let me quickly put in another email. That's what happens when you're always having tutorials. So I did remember I had used that email for the previous class I had. So I think this one should be free. So sign up. Good. Okay. So now we're here. This is where we are going to make the magic happen. This is where we're going to do all the abracadabra that we're going to do today. So now that you're here, the next thing that we have to do is click on create video. When you click on create video, you can just scroll down, take a look at all the beautiful templates that are available for you to use. These templates are already made templates. They are available for you to use. You can just choose any one you like, customize it the way you want, and enjoy yourself. Okay, now let me also let you know that the templates are designed for different social media platforms. So this first one that we see here, this one right here, is for YouTube. Okay, This is for YouTube. This is also for YouTube. This one can be for Facebook. You can see the square shape. This can be for Facebook or Instagram post. This can also be for Instagram, or maybe if you want to do a mock-up, this can be for a mock-up. This can be for TikTok or Instagram reel. This is for Instagram post. This is for Instagram reel. So this website is so generous because they know that the people who will be coming here would have different needs. This is for YouTube. This is also for YouTube. So you can just choose whichever works for you. This is also YouTube. This can be for TikTok or Instagram. This can be for Facebook. Okay. So you have to be careful while you are choosing. Make sure that the one you are taking has the kind of design that is required for the social media platform you want to use it. So if you want to put it on YouTube, then you have to be looking out for templates that have this shape. Okay, if you take this type of template, it won't work for you on YouTube. Okay, if you take this type of template and you want to put it on TikTok, you may not get the best result. So for TikTok and Instagram Reels, you would have to use templates that look like this. So I think I have explained that enough. You can scroll all the way down, click on load more to see more. Okay, click on load more to see more templates. All right, see more templates. So there are a lot for you. You click on load more. You have about 44 different templates available for you to use. So we have 44 templates. There's no how you are not going to find something that will work for your brand. Okay, there's no how you will not see something that will work for your brand. So now the next step is, after checking all the templates, you can now choose anyone you want to use. Choose anyone you want to use for your design. So let's see, which one should we use for this tutorial? Which one should we use? Okay. Mm. Okay, so I think we can use this one. So this one that has free shipping, let's use it. So you just click on it, click on the template. All right, this is it. That's what it looks like. So they are showing you exactly what the template looks like. This is a preview. So if it is something you want, you go ahead and click use these templates. Use these templates. Can you see that? So you click on use this template. Once you click on use this template, you would have 5 different, you see this place here where you have 5 different tools here. So we're going to work on those tools one after the other. Okay, so the first one is audio. The first one is audio. So you can edit the audio if you want to, or you can just allow your video to have the original audio that the template came with. Okay, you can allow it to have the original video that the template came with. Let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, so that's what the original audio came with. If you don't want that audio, okay, if you don't want that audio, you can go ahead and press on the plus sign. Okay, let me go back. If you don't want this audio, you can come here, press on this plus sign. When you press on the plus sign, it will allow you to upload an audio. When you click on upload, it will take you to your phone's gallery. So you can choose media picker, and then it will take you to where you would find your audio. Just follow the steps. So these are the audios I have in my phone. You just pick anyone you like and you upload it. So when you upload it, it would replace this original audio that the template came with. Okay, I'm not going to change the audio. but I just wanted to show you how to do that. All right. So after audio, the next place we would have to edit is image. So click on image. All right. When you click on image, if you want to add another image, if you want to add another image, you can click on the plus sign. Click on the plus sign, just like what you did for audio. Just click on this plus if you want to add another image. Maybe what you are selling are sneakers, you're not selling clothes, so you can actually come here to upload the image of your sneakers or the dresses. Maybe you're selling gadgets, phones. That is how you add them. You just upload the way I showed you the first time. Okay, that's how you do it. Excuse me. So that's exactly how you go ahead to upload your images. Okay, so the moment you are done, so the moment you are done with uploading all the images that you want to work with, okay, let me upload an image for real. So I already showed you how to do that, right? When you select, you click on done. So this is the image I just uploaded. If you want to crop it, you can go ahead and crop it. If you want to reduce the size, okay, you can go ahead and crop it. Use this this is your crop, what do I call this now? Your crop button. Yes, you can crop it. If it is too wide or too big or whatever, you can crop it however you want to. Then you click on select. You need to actually give this website time, allow it to load. Don't try to force it. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, now that is it. That's the image I just uploaded. Now this image, if you check by the right hand side of your screen, you would see that this particular shirt is now missing. This shirt is now missing. That's because this image I uploaded has replaced the shirt. So if you sell sneakers or anything, when you upload it, that's how it's going to replace all of those. Okay, and you can upload as many photos, images as you like. All right, you can upload as many as you like. So now that we're done with images, the next thing that we're going to do is you can click on video. So if you have your own video, like a video you created by yourself, maybe you have a live video of your products that you want to also infuse into the design, you can add that. Okay, you can add that as well. It's just the same process. You just upload. It will take you to your phone's gallery, you upload it. Okay, just upload. Now when you upload a video, this video one, any video you upload here will replace this one. It will replace this one. If you upload another video for video two, if you click on video two, any video you upload will replace this one. Do you understand? So that's how it works. And by the time you are done with all your editing, you can always click on preview, not proceed, preview, to see what your video looks like, to see if you need to change something, edit something, or if you want to rearrange something. If you click on preview, it will allow you to do that. Next, we'll click on text. Now, when you click on text, you will just edit the text as you want it. Okay, look at the text one. On the right hand side of your screen, you're going to see free shipping. All right, excuse me, free shipping. So if you don't want free, you can just remove that free, and then you can write fast, fast. Then this fast will replace free. So instead of free shipping, you can say fast delivery. For example, let's use caps lock, fast delivery. All right, then huge, they said huge sale. You can say discount sale. Please pardon my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather. You can say discount sale. Then here they said shop now. You can remove that shop and say buy now or whatever you want to write. Get it now. Okay? Then your company, if you also take a look at the at the right hand side of your screen, you will see the company where they wrote your company. So if you have a company name, this is where you do the editing. You just remove this, and let's say your company is Ebuka and Sons. Ebuka and Sons, please. This is just an example, okay? Ebuka and Sons. And then if you have a website, this is where you remove you insert your website, remove this one, www.ebuka and sons, ebukaandsons.com. Again, this is just an example. So let's preview. Let's preview to see what we have done so far. Allow your website to load. Okay, allow it load. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Don't try to force it. Okay, just allow it to generate. Once it is done, you will see what your work. Do you see it? Do you see all the things we did? Fast delivery, get it now, see Ebuka and Sons. You see everything that we just did now. Do you see it? So it's actually something that you can do. Okay, so after previewing, you just come back here, and the last thing that we have to work on is color. So click on color. This is your color palette. You can just change the color of your text here on the color of your frame. So right now, the first frame has white text. Okay, so you can just tap on any color you want, but please, when you are selecting your colors, make sure that the color you are using would complement the background. So this background has green, okay, green trees behind it. So using a green text may not really work, because you want your text to be readable. You want your clients to be able to read what you wrote. You want your clients to be able to read what you cannot use green on green. So that is another aspect of video editing that you need to pay attention to. Choosing colors that will not be fighting with the background. Okay, choosing colors that will not be hidden by the time you place them on the background. We can't use green here because the background is green. So obviously, that's why they chose to use white when they were making this template. If you don't want to use white, you can use any other color, but make sure that the color is visible enough. All right, let the color be visible enough. So now that I have shown you how to do all of this, how to edit the template to suit your need, you can add your audio. In fact, if you want to make it more, engaging, for those of us who are in Nigeria, right, who are Nigerians, I mean to say, if you want to make it more engaging, you can actually use your phone recorder, record your voice, and upload it. So let's say you are selling children clothing. You can just record your words like, oh yeah, oh, new bell open, buy your children wears here, or something like that. If you put it on your video, it would be more appealing and more engaging to your audience. But then it depends on your audience. So if you are running a consulting firm, you cannot say, oh yeah, oh, come and do your consulting here. It may not really sync well with your audience, okay? But just be creative about it and do what works for you, what works for your brand. Is that okay? Do what works for your brand. So after, when you have checked everything and you are sure that you have gotten all the little details that you need to add into your video. What you have to do now is to export this beautiful video to your phone. And how do we do that? We'll click on proceed, and when you click on proceed, please allow your phone, allow it to load. Okay, allow it load. Let's do it together. Proceed. Okay, so now it says send an email notification after the video renders. Look at this place here. They're asking for your permission. They're saying, should we send you an email to tell you that your video is now complete, like to tell you that they have finished working on the video? If you want them to send you an email, you just check this box. If you do not want that email, uncheck the box. Okay, uncheck it. I don't want to receive any email from them, so I'm not going to touch the box. I'm going to leave it like that. But if you need an email reminder, you can tick the box and then they will send you an email. So whether you are ticking the box or not, by the time you are ready, just tap on proceed. Click on proceed and allow it to load. Okay, allow it to load. If you check down here, this is the percentage. Okay, this is the percentage. You need to allow it to load, give it time. This is a very beautiful video, and they are doing all the coding for you. They are doing all the back end work for you, so you need to give it time. If you are so much in a hurry, you're going to end up with a video that will either be freezing, or maybe some parts will not be clear, or something will not just go right. So you need to allow it to load. But then, if you notice that your video has stayed stuck at a particular percentage for a long period of time, okay, if you notice that it is not moving at all, the percentage is not increasing at all, you can refresh your page. You can refresh your page. Okay, you can refresh. How do you refresh your page? Since you are using a phone, just go to the top of your screen. Go to the top of your screen and drag it down. That's how you refresh your page. That is only if the percentage is stagnant. If you are looking at this place and it is not increasing, maybe it is still at 0 since that time, or it is still at 1 or 5 or whatever, it is not just increasing at all, then you refresh your page. But if you have stable network and your network is fine, and you see that it is actually increasing, then there is no need refreshing your page. All you just have to do is sit back and wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. So I'm just going to pause now. When it's done loading, I'll come back. Okay, so it has finished exporting. Okay, so it has finished exporting. You have to wait for it to get to 100%, and then you will automatically see this download button. So you just click on download and click on download, and then you see it up here. It says downloading file here. It says downloading file. So you will just see it in your phone's gallery. All right. You just see it in your phone's gallery. So let's see what we have in the gallery. Open and play. Let's see what we did. You see, fast delivery. Discount sale. Do you see that the green is not so very sharp because the background is also green? The background is also green. Do you see that? So you have to choose a color that would work for you, and then whatever color you choose will also be the color that you're going to have on the frame, on this frame. You understand? So if I change this font to red, the frame will also have red around it. Do you get? So that is all about this tutorial for today. I hope that you would find time to practice what you have just learned and send your assignments over for review. If this is your first time joining this channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel so you can always have access to amazing content like this one. And after subscribing, remember to turn on the notification bell. That way, YouTube sends you a notification every time we upload new content. Please like, drop a comment. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comment section, and share this video to friends and family members who would find it helpful. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video.